My name is Chelsea Allen, and I am the owner of Crush Customs. Crush Customs is an aftermarket restyling company, and we service dealerships and retail customers all over the metro Atlanta area. Urable has absolutely been, it's changed the game for us on every level. I don't even think I'm utilizing it to its potential. Just with our logistics within the shop, we're able to assign jobs. My techs know immediately. We're able to communicate through Urable if the vehicle is here at the shop or if it's there at the dealership already. Having that real-time updating and notifications that go directly to our techs has made a huge difference. I'm very eternally grateful for Urable, and I will speak and spread the Urable gospel to anyone that will listen. I'm like, everybody should have this. Why don't you have this? You should have this.